Number 5. Interjections of anger. Interjections of anger. Grr and arg. Examples. Grr, what a childish behavior. Grr, what a childish behavior. B. Arg, the machine is not running well. Arg, the machine is not running well. Number 6. Interjections of hesitation. And examples. I have no answer. I have no answer. B. This is my brother's house. This is my brother's house. C. The capital of India is Delhi. The capital of India is Delhi.